Hi, this is a video. We're going to be using Mz12, the new organic product. I've been using butane for a while, and I find that this is a way cleaner, way safer way to do an extraction of essential oils or for your cannabis. So we're going to go ahead and start and tell you how to use this today. What you want to do is take a screen, ground up your stuff, your product you're using. Whatever your product you're using is going to matter in the quality of the product that you get. This is some good trim. We broke it down. You want to take most of the stems out of it, most of the ones you can see. What you're going to do then is take a glass tube, or if you have a circular loop machine, you can use this solvent in a circular loop machine. So what we're going to do now is start lightly putting this in here. You don't want to fill it up too much. You want to give it a light pack, not too hard, but give it a nice little firmness in there. Keep filling up the tube. And I recommend using about a 1-foot tube per 2 cans to get your biggest extraction possible. Go ahead and fill this off. You can pack this with your fingers the rest of the way. Then you're going to take 2 coffee filters, wrap it. I use a hose clamp. Make sure you set your drill to a low torque so you don't break your glass. Clean off any of the debris that's left on, because you don't want that falling into your area. And then we're going to take the Pyrex dish and 2 cans of solvent outside. Now remember, this product is flammable but not combustible like butane. Butane will actually combust. This is more of a methane. It will not. You can light it on fire, but it's not going to sit to where it'll actually explode. Alright, hold on 1 second. Got to grab a glove. Make sure you put a glove on. This stuff is really, really cold. Alright, make sure we have no more debris. Take your can, give it a little shake. Go ahead, begin your extraction. I like to swirl it around as I'm going down just to make sure I get all the sides. And here we will have beautiful yellow liquid coming out. And then I normally wipe off the top nipple and blow out of it, blow in it so that you can get the rest of the solvent out of it. Alright, we're going to run another tube. We'll see you back here in a minute. That's 4 cans total. I grabbed this tray here and I'm going to put semi-warm water in it. and I have an oscillating fan over here to my left so that I can blow the stuff. I'm going to set that right there in the warm water and let it start to evaporate. Ended up with a couple particles of stuff in here, so I'm going to take a tool with a point on it and pop these right out. Okay, now after you get all these little particles out, and if you're lucky you won't get any particles at all, we're going to take this inside and begin to scrape it, and we'll be back to you in a second. All the product out of the Pyrex and put it onto parchment paper. We're going to take this parchment paper, put it into a vacuum chamber. I highly recommend vacuum with everything, except the new product ZHO that will be coming out soon that we will have, which does not do much in a vacuum. It's almost ready to do right on the out. When you pull it out, all you have to do is basically whip it and it's ready to go. But for this product, we will put it on a vacuum. Alright, you'll see it starts to do its movement and then it's going to blow up. Then I would recommend purging it from anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour. We have just sent off 2 samples to CW testing, and our product came back with 0 flammable metals or solvent on it at all. The only thing that I had in it was a little bit of water, which is easily curable. You just let it sit out or put a fan on it or pull it. This stuff actually is has the consistency of silly putty or Laffy Taffy. It's you can pull on it. It has a golden hue to it. It's really easy to handle at higher temps, unlike BHO products. So this to me is the real deal, folks. Purging tank, then collapsed it. It was a huge dome. This is the product. It's a little tacky. It can sit out, but as you can see, and it sticks to you a little bit. Not bad, nothing like BHO product. And look how golden this is. This is pure trichomes extracted. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, folks? Alright, enjoy this video and enjoy yourselves, and we'll see you later.